Hi, I'm Coach Jay, and welcome to my channel.
Valentine's Day in your 40s hits different. Mas juicy, mas awkward, mas real. Couples in their 40s celebrate with a mix of romance and comedy, proving na walang age limit sa kilig. Expect the unexpected. Awkward silences during dinner, health-conscious menu choices na parang medical consultation, savage lines from titos and titas, convincing their partners to go out, and lessons na dapat matutunan ng mga bagets about dating from the masters of experience. This is not your typical Valentine's story. This is the unfiltered, hilarious, and brutally honest version of love in your 40s.
Hey buddy, just a quick one. If you like it here, please subscribe and follow me for more videos.
Couples in their 40s celebrating Valentine's Day are a different breed. Hindi na sila yung pa-cute na nagtatago sa hallway. They're the ones who know exactly what they want. Pero minsan, sobrang funny ng execution. Imagine a dinner date where the first thing they ask the waiter is, "May low sodium option ba dito?" Or, "Pwede bang half rice lang kasi diabetic ako?" Or, "Mahal, need to catch my breath. Pahinga muna tayo saglit." That's not boring. That's survival. And that's love. The awkward moments are gold. Yung lalaki na nagdala ng flowers pero nagalit yung asawa kasi pambayad na sana yun sa kuryente. So the whole night, nakasimangot siya habang nagtatry magpaka-romantic. Or naka-heels si tita para magmukhang sexy. Pero halfway through dinner, naglabas ng slippers from her bag kasi masakit na ang paa. Tapos amoy katingko yung kasama mo manood ng movie. That's the reality check ng 40 love life. Tapos yung mga savage lines ng titos and titas. Hoy, Valentine's ngayon, huwag kang magpanggap na busy, labas tayo kahit dyan lang sa malapit na mall. Or, kung hindi mo ako ilalabas tonight, sa labas ka matulog. Or, kung walang mangyayari tonight, huwag mo na ako kausapin kailanman. These lines are not just funny. They're proof na love in your 40s is about honesty, humor, and a little bit of blackmail. Pero hindi lang yan. May mga health considerations na sobrang nakakatawa. Imagine ordering steak tapos biglang may nagtanong, "Pwede bang well done kasi bawal raw meat sa maintenance ko?" Or yung isa na nagdala ng sariling probiotics kasi baka sumakit ang tiyan after dinner. That's the kind of date na walang filter. Couples in their 40s also have their own version of romance. Hindi na sila mahilig sa grand gestures. Mas gusto nila yung simple pero consistent. Like a husband who sneaks in a sticky note sa lunchbox ng asawa niya na may nakasulat na, "Happy Valentine's! Kahit bawal sweets, ikaw ang pinaka-sweet." Or a wife who prepares his favorite decaf coffee kasi bawal na ang caffeine, pero nilagyan ng heart-shaped foam art. That's love na walang pretense. And let's not forget the awkward silences. Younger couples panic kapag walang usapan. Pero sa 40s, silence is comfort. Yung tipong nagtititigan lang habang kumakain ng salad, tapos biglang may mag-comment, "Masarap pala itong vinaigrette. Parang ikaw, maasim pero masarap." That's the kind of humor na walang age limit. Couples in their 40s also show na ang Valentine's hindi lang para sa magjowa. It's about celebrating partnership, friendship, and survival. Kasi kung nakalampas ka na sa 4 na dekada ng buhay, tapos nandyan pa rin yung partner mo, that's not just romance, that's resilience. That's the kind of story na hindi makikita sa filtered posts ng Gen Z. At the end of the day, Valentine's in your 40s is not about proving anything to the world. It's about proving to each other that the spark never dies. Kahit awkward, kahit funny, kahit health-conscious, the love is real, the effort is real, and the laughter is endless. Final message. Love in your 40s is not about proving anything to the world. It's about proving to each other that the spark never dies. The controversial truth is this: romance is not about age, it's about effort. The younger generation needs to stop chasing aesthetics and start chasing authenticity. Couples in their 40s show that the most powerful love story is not the one that looks perfect, but the one that survives awkward dinners, health restrictions, and corny jokes. That's the kind of love that lasts. And that's the kind of love worth celebrating.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and follow me for more videos.